Our team igebra.ai visited the Government Higher Secondary School, Raipur, on 14th October 2022 to conduct a Math4ALL Workshop for grade 7 students. The school had a simple facade with a serene ambience in the backdrop. We were received with a warm heart by both the students as well as the management. Our team consisted of our directors, Mr. Chiranjeevi, Mr. Venkat, and our staff members, Ms. Sheetal Singh, Mr. Pradyumna, and Mr. Jay. It was a delight to see a digital board in the school, and after enquiring, we were informed that the school principal has used his personal money to upscale the school. This digital board, in fact, made our jobs very, very easy. Our trainers guided the students in simplifying math tables starting from table 2 until table 29. Students were astonished to see how easy it was to build tables in math and showed a lot of enthusiasm to explore and learn more. In these Math4ALL workshops, we don't use textbooks or handouts, but instead demonstrate the effect of our teaching by letting the students experience it. Through our Math4ALL program, we aim at bridging the gap between the lesson and the exam by teaching innovative and simple methods in solving math questions.
Direct multiply करो 240 is your answer. LCM. समझे? Yes. Right? कर ले सकते हैं?
Yes. A mind once enlightened cannot again become dark. Children must be taught how to think and not what to think. It's our moral and social responsibility to see that every child has an opportunity to receive quality education. The Math4ALL program by igebra.ai aims at providing access to math education to kids in rural areas by turning the dilapidated walls of the rural schools into doors that open up humongous opportunities for a bright and brilliant future.
सर लोग पढ़ाए तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत यस। आज की क्लास में हम लोगों को बहुत ही मजा आया।
मैं 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज सर लोग आए, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करवाए और गुणा और भाग नहीं आता वो पूरा सिखाया, पढ़ा भी सिखाया। बहुत धन्यवाद सर के लिए।